Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply infill of gel nails, and I will also teach you how to use gel paints. At this moment I'm removing the old gel using the barrel gel bit. This one has hard toothing, so the old gel never gets into the depth of this gel bit. And I will also want to remind you, when your client uses nail polish, it's better to remove it before filing nails, before removing the old gel, because nail polish gets into the depth of the gel bit, and it's not easy to clean the drill bit if it's already spoiled with nail polish. Now you see me working with the flame gel bit. This one has natural diamond, and this is the best way for working with pterygia, because some Chinese drill bits made from iron pieces, and those drill bits quickly get spoiled. I can suggest you guys to use high quality drill bits because they will work for you for a long time. They can be sterilized and you can use them day by day. And what about hard alloy drill bits? You can make 100 clients with, for example, barrel drill bit, because it lives for a long time. It is made for dental workers from high quality alloy steel. I used to work with only high quality products, and as you can see, I'm using the nail file. This file is also is differ from Chinese files. You can compare them. You can buy this file from my store and compare them with Chinese files, and you will see the difference. In general, they cost the same prices, but my files are harder and they will work for you more, and also it's not easy to find 100 grit from each side, and it's very important too, and you will understand it after watching my videos. You know guys, I will also provide you with high quality primer made in Russia, because before I sold primers of the brand Canny. In this month I will represent in my internet shop, which name is shapeofnail.com. I will represent high quality Russian primers, and a lot of subscribers and customers asked many times about that primers. There will be two types of primers: non-acid primer and special UV primer. You can use both of them to prepare the nail plate perfectly, and for sure you will not have any liftings. So just wait for when primers will be in stock in my shop, and they will be available in low prices. Right now you see me working with sculpting mix gel. This gel I made special for nail technicians. You know, it's easy to work with it. You can use the gel brush that you can see on the video, and it's easy to take the drop from the jar and place it on the nail plate. And you know guys, now I face with some new technologies with for example polygel. It's not comfortable for me, because there are a lot of motions we should apply for doing nail extensions. As you can see in my case, it's very fast, it's very easy to sculpt nails. and we don't need to any special tools like pushers. Take the ball from the jar, from the tube and place on the nail plate, then use the monomer. I think that it takes a lot of time. We already counted the time while we're doing nails, and it's about 30 or 40 minutes in the first, the fastest way to apply nails like this. And I think that this technique is the best because it saves your time. It gives you a chance to make very strong nails, and it tasted for years. You know, guys, I decided not to show you how I'm applying the French manicure because in my previous video I made it a million times. I decided to show you how we can easily apply the elegant and very original nail design using Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint. You know, there are different types of gel paint, but this one is perfect because we can not only draw French manicure only with one layer, so you can see that this is very pigmented gel paint. We can also draw 3D lines, monogram or elements, and it has 3D effects. And it has also sticky layer, so we can transfer something on this layer. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to do it. Don't forget to curve each line or each composition, as you can see on the video. Curve it in LED lamp because this gel need to be cured quickly because it's flowing as many other gels, but not too much. As you can see, we already cured this monogram in UV lamp, and now I'm transferring the foil on this paint. As you can see, we have olden effect, something like scratched paint on the white monogram, and I think this is not usual. This is very original, and you can try to apply it by yourself. All you need is just to make the order and buy this gel paint. As you can see, I'm removing the particles of the foil from the nail plate, and it's easy to cover the top coat. You know, guys, it's better to use soft brush for applying the final layer because it's easy to control, to feel the drop on the nail plate. And of course, it's better to leave more product in the center of the nail. This way we're applying alignment of the nail plate. So, are you ready? Here we go. This is original, elegant nail design. Will be also suitable for the bride and for a romantic person. I like that you wrote many good comments in my previous videos, guys. I love you. Don't forget to click like button, subscribe to my channel, and visit my online store. And now you will see the video of my course of nail extensions. Look at these nails. They look like perfect natural nails. But who would have thought that your nails didn't look like this 2 hours ago? They completely changed. Sure, you can criticize gel nails, but you have to admit that advanced technologies have performed wonders with your nails. This is advanced training DVD video for the beginners. Well, honestly, last 10 years all I do is advancing of this technology, and this training DVD is something like a sense of my work. I don't promise you that you will learn Gel nails extension technology only watching this video. It depends on your long time training. But I guarantee you, it's the latest technology nowadays, and I am one of the authors of this technology. My name is Alexander Stepanov. In this video, I will be showing you all the process in all details with tips and all the secrets. I will give you all fundamentals, for example, of how we keep files in our hands. And also I will show you correct hands, motions and positions that help you to do your work correctly and easily. You can order this DVD in my Instagram shop, the link is under the video. Look at these beautiful nails! And that was before. The set includes all training kit. We also ship this to any country. I wish you success in your work, guys.